Gentlemen, and welcome to this press conference on the analysis of higher secondary school certificate examination of March 2021. Next slide. This result is available on the following sites. You can just see. It is gbshscgoa.net and results.gbshscgoa.net. You will have to enter seat number, school code, that is HS01 or 01.1, whatever it is. Then the first name and date of birth in the order. First it is a date, then it is a month, and then it is 4 digits of the year. Only with this you will be able to access the result. Next. As you all know that this is due to the unprecedented situation because of COVID-19 pandemic and putting the safety of the candidates and all examination personnel on paramount importance. The board has cancelled the examination, White Circular number 22, dated 3rd June 2021. Actually, the examination was to be held from 24th April 2021 to 18th May 2021. Thereafter, White Circular number 29, dated 25th June 2021, board come out with the policy document for tabulation of marks of class 12, which is an objective criteria. Without any influence, the result would be prepared. The result committee constituted in each of the higher secondary school, which was headed by the principal of the school, and the criteria for class 12 result is prepared on the internal assessment of class 11, which is 30%, class 12, which is 40%, and the performance of class 10, which remains constant to the extent of 30%. There was another component which was a moderation of the marks. This is being done to maintain the subject average based on the past 3 years historical performance of every higher secondary school, so as to moderate the marks within the class itself. And another feature, that opportunity will be given to any candidate who is not satisfied with this result, but they will have to forfeit the result which is prepared by this criteria and then put option to answer the board examination. This is how it is. For class 10 it is 30%, which is only the external component by which board otherwise would have given them the theory examination. Then the final theory component of class 11 to 30%, and then all those unit tests, or it is the first term, mid-term, preliminary examination, or it is a periodical test for class 12 to the extent of 40%. And internal marks, they were already received by the board, they were 20%. You see the last 5 years board where there was a written examination, and this is only the year where we had to cancel the theory examination and prepare the result based on the internal assessment. 2016 it was 90%, 2017 it was 90%, 88%, 2018 it was 85.84%, 19 it was 89.59, and 20 it is 89.27%. Coming to this year's examination result, 18,195 students appeared through the regular category, passed 18,085, giving the pass percentage of 99.40. Once again, the girls appeared more in numbers, 9,187, boys 9,008, and the number of the girls passing are 9,163, boys number is 8,922, and girls pass percentage is higher by 0.6 99.69 it is. So 99.74 is the pass percentage of girls, as compared to boys it is 99.05. Total pass percentage is 99.40. This is how you can see the percentage range. Less than 33, that means those who got the remark as needs improvement. That means they have to answer the board examination. So there are 75. 35 candidates' result is placed in the reserve category for the reason non-submission of eligibility documents, because they were coming from the different boards, or they have not submitted internal practical marks. So it is 75 plus it is 35. That is 35's result is yet to come. So that is why they are placed in reserve category. 75 are with needs improvement. The students with 33 to 45 range are 860. Those with 46 to 59 are 5,583. 60 to 80, they are 9,682. And 81 to 100 are 1,960. This is how the stream-wise HSSC result of March 21. Arts, 4,745 appeared through the regular category. Passed, it is 4,716. And 22 students from the arts category, they are with needs improvement. They will have to repeat, giving a pass percentage of 99.39. Commerce, it is 5,593. In fact, this is the highest among all those 4 streams. Passed is 5,574, and 12 students, they got a remark as needs improvement. Pass percentage is 99.66. Science stream, 4,698 appeared, 4,683 passed, and only 5 students, they got a remark as needs improvement. Pass percentage is the highest among all those 4 categories. This is 99.68. Whereas vocational, this number is small among all those 4 categories. So this is 3,159, 3,112 passed, and 36 they are placed in needs improvement category, and the pass percentage is 98.51. This is a social category wise HSSC results for the examination. General, 12,323, passed 12,242, and fail or needs improvement are 50, and 31 are placed under reserve category. The pass percentage is 99.3. From OBC, it is 3,345, 3,327 passed, 15 are placed under needs improvement category, and 3 students' result is placed in reserve category. Pass percentage is 99.5. For SC, it is out of 356, 353 passed, 2 are placed under needs improvement category, and 1 is placed in reserve category. The pass percentage is 99.2. For ST, it is 2,171, out of which 2,163 passed, 8 got a remark as needs improvement, and none of them were placed in the reserve category. So the result is 99.6. This is how we can see the taluka wise pass percentage. Total higher secondary schools are 106. 92 are the number of the aided higher secondary schools with full grants, and government higher secondary schools are 9, and there are 5 unaided higher secondary schools. You can take Bardes. This is out of 12, those 12 aided higher secondary schools, the number of the candidates appeared is 3,169. Passed, it is 3,147. The result is 99.31. Of 17 higher secondary schools, aided higher secondary school, with 1 government higher secondary school and 1 unaided higher secondary school, the maximum enrollment there it is 4,071, out of which 4,043 cleared this examination, giving result as 99.31. Coming to the Sangem Taluka, there are 4 grant-aided higher secondary school, 1 government higher secondary school, and for Sangam it is only one government higher secondary school with a total enrollment as 177, passed 177, and the total percentage it is 100. Even Sattari, there are 4 government aided higher secondary schools. One is government higher secondary school. Total enrollment is 717, and all of them passed, giving pass percentage at 100%. In Bicholim Taluka, 5 aided higher secondary schools are there, 1 government higher secondary school, and total enrollment is 1254, and out of that 1249 cleared this examination, and pass percentage is 99.6. In Kankuna, it is 3 aided higher secondary schools are there, and 1 each government higher secondary school and 1 unaided higher secondary school. Total number of the students appeared, they are 484, and all cleared this examination, giving pass percentage as 100. Dharbandona, out of among those 3 aided higher secondary schools, total number of the candidates appeared were 211, and 210 passed. Only 1 candidate failed in Dharbandana, and giving pass percentage as 99.53. KP, there are 6 aided higher secondary schools, 1436 they appeared, 1416 passed, and pass percentage is 98.61. Marmagova, 7 aided higher secondary schools, 1 government higher secondary school, and total number of the candidates appeared were 1371, and out of that 1362 cleared this examination, giving pass percentage at 99.34. Pedne, 1 government higher secondary school and 4 aided higher secondary school. Number of the candidates appears as 667, and only 1 got a remark as needs improvement. Pass percentage is 99.85. In Fonda, there are 15 aided higher secondary schools, 1 government higher secondary school, and 1 aided higher secondary school. Number of the candidates appeared were 2,334, and 2,317 passed, and pass percentage is 99.27. And coming to Tiswadi, yet another large taluka with 16 aided higher secondary schools, 1 government higher secondary school, and 2 unaided higher secondary schools. The number of the candidates appeared were 2,304, and 2,297 cleared this examination, giving pass percentage as 99.7. Yeah, next slide. This is National Skill Qualification Framework. 51 higher secondary schools offered this as among those 6 subjects, and 1,113 appeared for this paper, and 1,103 they passed this examination, and pass percentage is 99.10. Next. And these were the subjects: automobile, IT/ITES, healthcare, retail, beauty and wellness apparel, construction, media and entertainment, telecommunication, logistic management, tourism and hospitality, and agriculture. These were the 9 areas. Next. You can see this subject-wise passing percentage and the highest mark in some of the major subjects. Language 1. Last year the pass percentage it was 98.38. This year it is 99.88. Last year the highest score was 91. This time it is 98. Physics, chemistry, biology, accountancy. This time the highest score is 100%. Last time in physics it was 100. Pass percentage it was 96.09, whereas this time it is 99.77. Chemistry, last time it was 92.85, this time 99.7% students pass. Highest score last time it was 98, this time it is 100. Biology, pass percentage was 99.43, then the highest score it was 100, this time also it is 100. but this time pass percentage is 99.76. Accountancy, this time they got 100% as the top score. Last time it was 99. This time the pass percentage is 99.84, whereas last time it was 95.42. Mathematics, this is for the arts and science. This time the highest score is 100. Last time also it was 100. Pass percentage, this time it is 99.83, whereas last time it was 87.27. Mathematics and statistics, this is for the commerce stream. Last time it was 100. This time also it is 100 is the top score. This time 100% student they passed, whereas last year it was 97.12. Psychology, the highest score, this time it is 99, whereas last year it was 100. Whereas the pass percentage is 97.78 last year, whereas this time it is 99.97. Economics, last time the top score was 100, this time also it is 100%, whereas last time the percentage was 92.59, this time it is 99.77. SP, secretarial practice, last time score was 99, this time also the top score is 99. Whereas the pass percentage, this time it is 99.64, last year it was 95.97. Business studies, this year the top score is 100, last year it was 99. Last year the pass percentage was 99.84, where this time it is 99.84, last year it was 94.57. Next. Political science, this time the top score is 99, last year it was 100. Percentage, this time it is 99.45, whereas last year it was less, 87.44. Sociology, the top score this year it is 100, last year it was 99. Pass percentage, this year it is 99.63, whereas last year it is 95.31. History, the top score this year it is 99, last year it is 100. Pass percentage, this time it is better, that is 99.74, whereas last year it was 92.02. Computer science, the top score this time and last year it was is the same, that is 99, whereas pass percentage it is slightly 0.01 is increased. So 99.83 is the pass percentage this year, whereas last year it was 99.82. This is English and communication skill for the vocational stream. The last year the top score was 97. This year, last year it was 87. This year it is 97. Pass percentage is 99.52 for this batch, whereas last year it was 96.76. GFC, the top score this time it is 96, whereas last year it was 91. Last year the pass percentage was 94.35, whereas this year it is 99.59. Konkani, it is the top score last year and this year is same, that is 98, whereas pass percentage is slightly increased this year. This year it is 99.84. Marathi 2, this time it is 100%, and last year it was 98, whereas the pass percentage is 98.95 last year, whereas it is 99.87. Urdu 2, Sanskrit and language, last time it was the 100%. This time it is can you just show the slide? This time it is 98.36 for Urdu. Sanskrit 2 it is 100. Portuguese it is 100%. French it is 100%. The top score for Hindi it is 100. Urdu it is 92. Sanskrit it is 100. Portuguese it is 98, and French it is 99 this time. And this is all those number of the candidates who are placed or who will be answering the board supplementary examination. You can see there are 708 repeaters candidates. This is the challenge before us. They will have to give them the examination. Some have appeared through as a whole improvement candidates are there, private candidates are there, and the ITI students, those who have cleared 10th standard and their diploma course, and now they are requested or they have appeared for getting a equivalency in 12th standard. So there are about 33 plus 6 candidates have to answer the board examination. And next slide. So supplementary examination for the 12th standard will be conducted by the board for the students with needs improvement remark, and there were some students who have withdrawn their application because of some reasons. So the examinations, they will have to answer the board examination. So also the private candidate, ITI candidates, repeater candidates, and the candidates who have applied for improvement of marks scheme will have to answer board's examination. The board endeavor is to conduct this supplementary examination as expeditiously as possible. As this time the result is prepared based on the internal assessment, and the answer books were either handed over to the candidate or they were shown to the candidate. Therefore, there is no policy for verification of marks or providing photocopy of answer book or any re-evaluation. Next. So this date of supplementary examination will be announced very shortly. The date of this is common entrance examination for admission to the science stream and diploma courses. Most likely we are going to conduct this examination on the coming week, that is maybe 27 or it is 28 of July, because this is the admission for the science stream. It all depends on the common entrance examination which will be conducted by the board in the respective schools. About 6,800 plus another 300 students from the neighboring boards, that is the NIOS or maybe the CBSC or CISK, they have applied for this CET examination, and those who want to seek the admission in diploma courses, they have also be appearing for this examination. Next. And our sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Minister of Education, Dr. Pramod Sawantji, Government of Goa, Chief Secretary, Government of Goa, AG, Advocate General of Government of Goa, Secretary Education, Director of Education, Collector of North, Collector of South, Director General of Police, Superintendent of Police, North, South, Director of Health Services for their support in conducting this entire exercise. Our sincere gratitude to the President of the Principal Forum who is there with us, Sir Walter Cabral, in making all this exercise fruitful. All principals of higher secondary schools, PTAs of all higher secondary schools, Taluka coordinators in taking up this entire scheme, training of this entire scheme, maybe through their webinars or personal visit to the higher secondary school, in helping them in preparing the results. Our all conductors, observers, vigilance committee who have done the exercise, but at the last moment we could not take up the written examination because of COVID. And all managements of higher secondary schools, we sincerely express our gratitude to all of them. Police Security Force, through his sub offices all over the state, the Director of Education for his support in the entire exercise, and of course you, all media, electronic, print media, for your support, cooperation in giving a wide coverage for the examination related matters from time to time to the students and to the public in general. And thank you all. Any questions?
सीईटीचे म्हणजे प्रोसेस सांगा पुढे
जी कॉमन एंट्रन्स एक्झामिनेशन जी आसा which is in the coming week, that is for the admission to science stream and for all diploma courses. So this examination will be conducted in the respective schools, and this examinations will be conducted, or the conductors astalo will be only from the higher secondary schools. So in the respective schools astali आता now wherever the number of the candidates are less, maybe 2, 3 किंवा less than that, then लागिच्या we will able to accommodate them students in nearby school. But there will not be any inconvenience to the students. And as of now, about 6,800 they have enrolled from the schools under the Goa board, and about another 373 or 74 students from the other state boards. जी आम्ही फी जी चार्ज केल्या 500 रुपया ती इट इज ओनली फॉर द अदर स्टेट बोर्ड्स. बाकीच्या आमचे जे भुरगे आसात गोवा बोर्डाचे तांकां इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. देर वर सम इन्सिडंट्स वेर somebody were paying them the fees for our students also without asking us. That was not required also. So भुरग्यांनी कांयच करपाची गरज नसली. They have already enrolled through their schools. आणि according to the enrollment, we will drop the question paper, or they will have the examination in their own schools. And this will be controlled by all the principals who will be the conductors of this examination.
पेपर बोर्ड
सेटअप करतलो आणि ती एक्झामिनेशन एक 2.5 hours आसा. सगळे भितून मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स आसा. तांकां ऑलरेडी वी हॅव गिवन देम द मॉडेल पेपर. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी सर्क्युलेटेड दी सिलेबस फॉर दॅट.
सेम सिलेबस.
Yes. Same syllabus of the बोर्डाचो हा तो सिलेबस थंय आसा.
For CBSE also same syllabus.
सगळ्यांक एकूच पेपर आसता. Because they will be seeking the admission in under state board for science stream किंवा under director of technical education for diploma course.
तुमची साईट चालू
परीक्षा एकच दिवस.
अजूनही चलना आमची दुसरी साईड पण
Okay. So
सायन्स परीक्षा
ही एकूच अडीच.
सो दोन साईड
27 किंवा 28
मेन्शन केला तो ना.
तारीख म्हटलं तुम्ही 27 किंवा
27 की वाटतं. आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेज दॅट इज अ डिग्री कोर्स. नो ती जी सेट ते म्हणतात ती जी सेट.
sir, ते एक evaluation केलं.
जी सेट नीटेड ताका डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निकल एज्युकेशन. दॅट इज फॉर प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज.
So this is exam for after 10.
This is exam for after 10.
आणि
After 12th, director of technical education. थोडी भुरगीं कशी आसा आफ्टर 12th ही पॉलिटेक्निकाक येता. फॉर देम ऑल्सो वी हॅव मेड द प्रोसेस व्हेरी इजी. दे कॅन सिलेक्ट द नियरबाय स्कूल्स, और तांणी खंयच्यान ती SSC केल्ली आसा न्ही त्या स्कुलांत तांचें वचपाचें, तांचें नांव धाडल्या पुरो we will enroll them because they were already registered under GOV. तांचें फी सुद्धा भरपाची गरज ना. आणि इवन at the last moment आमकां जर आयडेंटिटी कळ्ळी जाल्यार we will allow the students to answer the examination.
आफ्टर 12th तुमची कॉलेजाक वचपाची आसा.
थोडे कशें आसता 12th सायन्स करतात आनी तांकां वचूंक जाय पॉलिटेक्निकाक, जाल्यार इन दॅट केस दे विल हॅव टू ऑल्सो आन्सर दिस CET एक्झामिनेशन.
नाही पण तांकां ती पॉलिटेक्निक नाका, नॉर्मल कोणाक डिग्री कोर्साक ऍडमिशन घेवपाक जाय कॉलेजान.
तांकां थोड्यांक
ताणे त्या कॉलेजान वचून कितें प्रोसेस आसा तो प्रोसेस कितें करू.
तो डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निक तांकां तर जी सेट आन्सर करची पडटा. जी प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज वतले न्ही,
प्रोफेशनल
हा.
नॉर्मल कॉलेज.
BSc करून ते हांगा कितें फॉर पॉलिटेक्निकाक BSc डायरेक्ट BSc यू म्हणटा BSc BA डायरेक्ट ताका ही एंट्रन्स एक्झाम करपाची गरज ना.
कॉलेज एक्झाम
कॉलेज कदाचित एक्झाम घेयना तांकां. दॅट इज फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट बेसिसचेर
या मार्काचेर जातली.
ह्या मार्काचेर ताका एंट्रन्स एक्झाम. BA BSc BCom जे आसा ताका आनी एंट्रन्स एक्झामिनेशन ना.
Sir, the internal marks दिले पळय, so what was the formula for it and how were teacher trained for this?
द इंटरनल मार्क्स जे दिले पळय, जो आमचो 30-40 30% दे वर टेकन फ्रॉम द SSC परफॉर्मन्स 30%. मागीर 30% 11वीतलो जो फायनल रिपोर्ट आसा ताका घेतलेले आनी 40% आमी 12वीचे घेतलेले. आणि दे वर ऑल ट्रेन बेस्ड ऑन दिस पॉलिसी डॉक्युमेंट बाय अपॉइंटिंग आमचे तालुका कोऑर्डिनेटर्सांनी केले. तांकां आमी बोर्डानूय तांकां वेबिनार घेतलो आणि तांकां वेवस्थीत सांगिल्लें कितले कशे पर्संटेज ड्रॉ करपाक. ताका टेबल आसा, त्या टेबला प्रमाणे तांच्यांनी दे हॅव टेकन अप द मार्क्स.
Only the coordinators were trained, not the teachers.
Teachers, we have trained the principals, we have trained our coordinators, and thereby they were supposed to form the result committee. And in the result committee, the subject teacher they were called, and in case if there were any queries, then the taluka coordinator used to coordinate with the respective schools and used to resolve the whatever the issues with them.
आता हे रिपीटर्स प्रायव्हेट कॅन्डिडेट्स केन्ना जाता परीक्षा?
तांकां आतां कशें हे 3 वीक्स जाल्या उपरांत हो एग्जामीचो रिजल्ट 3 वीक्सान म्हणजे मे बी 5th ऑफ ऑगस्ट टू 5 ऑगस्ट ते 10 ऑगस्ट पर्यंत आमी आमचे ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन सुरू करतले आणि मे बी 15 ऑगस्टाच्या उपरांत मे बी लास्ट वीक ती एग्जाम जावं येता.
So this supplementary exam तुम्ही मला स्कूल conduct करतले, but in case of class 12 board will conduct supplementary.
Yeah, for class 12 board will conduct this examination. Yes.
पण आता 99.40 रिझल्ट झाला इतल्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक आता कॉलेजांनी ऍडमिशन मेळटलें म्हणटा तुमी तो उरतली
आता-
कॉलेजांक इतली कॅपॅसिटी आसा
आता ताजेर हांवें भाश्य करप बरोच व्हरचें ना कित्याक इट कम्स अंडर डायरेक्टर ऑफ हायर एज्युकेशन. डायरेक्टर ऑफ हायर एज्युकेशन म्हणजे जवळजवळ आमचे 18,000 म्हणजे रफली आमी पळयना रिजल्ट आमचो जवळजवळ 90% आमचो रिजल्ट आसता. लास्ट इयरचो 90% आशिल्लो. आत्तां एक 700-800 भुरगे चड वाडले किंवा 1000भर भुरगे चड वाडले आसतले.
तांचें भवितव्य
हय
कितें आसा?
हय तांकां एडमिशन मेळोंक जाय
So this supplementary exam
What is this
board
in
conduct
Kalpana?
करता and this
कितें
supplementary exam board will be conducted in the class 12 and students who are not satisfied with it.
इट्स अ सेम एक्झाम विल बी गिवन. तर तेन्नाच ती एक्झाम. मॉडरेशन म्हणजे कशें जालें की एक्चुअली भुरग्यांचें कशें आसा 10वेचेर मॉडरेशन आमी करूं ना 10वेचो बिकॉज इट हॅज गॉन थ्रू द एंटायर प्रोसेस. 11वी आनी 12वेचे जे इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन आमी घेतल्या आतां कशें जालें की भुरग्यांक ऑलरेडी एक्झॅक्ट मार्क मेळिल्ले आसा पूण जाता कशें की थोडे कडेन इंटरनल मार्क्स अशे आसा की जो टॉप भुरगो आसा आनी 2 भुरग्यां भितर जो डिफरन्स आसा म्हणजे ताजे बाबा ताका 1 मार्क चड दिवप काय 1 मार्क सकयल हाडप कितें हो जो प्रकार आसा न्ही हो मॉडरेशन आतां विदीन ह्या स्किमीन केला आसा. नाजाल्यार मॉडरेशन 2 प्रकारचे आसा. एक मॉडरेशन जो आसा आमचो न्ही विदीन द क्लास आमी केला म्हणजे 1 मार्क्स वयर वडप किंवा ताचे जज करप त्या भुरग्यांक बेस्ड ऑन हिज परफॉर्मन्स. नाजाल्यार नॉर्मल प्रोसेस ऑफ मॉडरेशन इज अमंग द पेपर्स. दिस इज नॉट थ्रू द पेपर्स. पेपरा कडेन ना पेपराचे ताचे मार्क्स उरले पूण ताजी ती सब्जेक्ट जी एवरेज आसा न्ही तुजो जो स्कुलांचो जो एक लास्ट एक फाटल्या 3 वर्साचो परफॉर्मन्स आमी सांगला सो तुमची जी एवरेज आहा ती ह्या एवरेजात पोसोंक जाय कित्याक ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जर तुजी एवरेज 30 आसा जाल्यार इट कॅनॉट गो टू 60. इट कॅन गो टू 30 वेल्यान ती चडांत जर एक 34 जावंक शकता 35 जावंक शकता जाल्यार त्या भितर तुमी एवरेज पोसोंक जाय तो प्रकारचो मॉडरेशन.
की स्कुलांनी वचनासतना हितूंतल्यान इतलो बरो रिजल्ट येता जाल्यार आमी ओगीच स्कुलान गेले म्हणटा तुमचे कॉमेंट कितें स्कुलांनी वचतना 99% बी घेता इतले बरे मार्क्स मेळटा वचनासतना एक्झाम आन्सर दिनासतना बरे मार्क्स मेळटा तर स्कुलांनी जाय कितें तुमचो कॉमेंट कितें?
नाही ताचेर कमेंट इज अ व्हेरी सेन्सिटीव पोस्ट असतो तो कशें की प्रत्येक गोष्टीक 2 बाजू आसता. एक बरी आसता हातूंतली बरी बाजू आनी दुसरी तातूंतल्यान शिकपा सारकें कितें आसता. आमचे जे टिचर्स न्ही सगळ्यांक आमी एका माळ्यात काय हे करूं शकना. खरेंच आमची सगळीं स्कुलां आसा मॅक्सिमम स्कुलां म्हणून की ते खरेंच आपूण जीव ओतून ते काम करतात. म्हणजे आत्ता सुद्धा बोर्डाचो जो प्रयत्न आसा न्ही की आता आमी अजून काडूंक ना म्हणजे आतां आमचे कडेन पॉलिसी आसा की आता ही विदीन दीस पॅन्डेमीक सिट्युएशन न्ही जर हे अशे थोडे ते उरले जाल्यार पर्यायी व्यवस्था कशी आसा ताजेरय आमी काम केल्लें आसा आनी येता ते एक 8-10 दिसान ती पॉलिसी आमची भायर सरतली. म्हणजे ती फायनल एक्झाम तांकां दिवप काय ताजे बाबा कशें एक्झाम. आतां हें कशें जालें आतां थोड्या कडल्यान एक्सक्युजीस अशें आले की ना आमकां ती इंटरनल एक्झाम आसा म्हणून खबरच नाशिल्ली. आमकां प्रिलिमीचे मार्क्स कावंट करतले म्हणून खबरच ना. अशें केन्नाच नासता. जेन्ना तुमी आमी एक्झाम दिले म्हणटकच खंय ना खंय तरी ते रिफ्लेक्ट जावं अशें. म्हणून अशे आमचे कडेन थोडे बरे टिचर्स आसात जे इनोवेटीव वेज कितें तरी काम करूंक सोदतात अशें. म्हणजे ताका कशें आसा लायफ आतां तुमी हे सगळे जाण पत्रकार आसात आमी अशें ओपन दवरला की जे लँग्वेजीस आसात किंवा लँग्वेज किंवा खंयचोय भुरगो आसतलो ताका जर सपोज ताचे कडेन बरोवपाची जर एक बरी कला आसा जाल्यार यू लेट हिम रायट टू डिफरंट डेलीज आनी ताचे आर्टिकल ते पेपरार येता काय कितें जाल्यार ताचे कडेन ती कला कळटली. ताचे कडेन कविता आसतली ताचे कडेन बरें आर्टिकल बरोवपाची कला आसतली किंवा ताचे कडेन ते इंटरॅक्शन करपाची आसतली जाल्यार अशा भुरग्यांक म्हटल्यार करा. आनी फॉर्मल जे टेस्ट आमी दिवपाचे न्ही ताजेर एक थोडे ते 2 घेयात पूण ही अशी एक टेस्ट दिया की ताजेर तांकां लिबरल रावचें अशें म्हणजे भुरग्याची हाचे मार्क्स मेळटले ताजे कस मागचो भुरग्यांचो अशें काम.
Any chances of school starting physical?
I don't know. I will not able to comment on that. Director of Education will be the right person to comment.
Government. What is the opinion? It can be started now.
आता कशें जालें आता कोविड केसीस दे आर कमिंग डावन कोविड केसीस आर कमिंग डावन म्हणजे
50%.
डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिच्युएशन आता थोड्या प्लेसीस अशे आसतले की थंय केसीस ऑलमोस्ट झिरो आसतले जाल्यार इन दॅट केस 50% अटेंडन्स घेऊन सुरू करपाक काय म्हजे पर्सनल सुरू करपाक काय हरकत ना सगळे फॉर्म सगळे नॉर्म्स आमी जर सुरू केले सम हेल्थ प्रोटोकॉल सगळे दवरले जाल्यार वी कॅन स्टार्ट आतां
Is government thinking also like 50% can be in the morning, 50% can be in the evening?
we'll have to work out
Solution.
solution work out
Yeah, because that will, at least the social distance and everything will be maintained. Okay, thank you.
थँक्यू तुमकां एक ल्हानशें